So, in today's video we will talk about some fascinating bathroom gadgets that will make your ordinary bathroom the same as the bathroom of Elon Musk. Just kidding, but not. It will bring such a change in your boring bathroom, and who knows, maybe these amazing things can change the perception of the bathroom. So let's see what we have in our sack today. First, Automatic Soap Dispenser. This soap dispenser total hands-free wizardry. It's like it senses your hand's magic touch and whoosh, out comes the soap. The Automatic Soap Dispenser operates through innovative infrared motion sensing technology that offers touchless solutions for dispensing soap. Swift and efficient, it minimizes the inconvenience of traditional dispensers by releasing soap in 0.2 seconds upon hand detection. Its design integrates non-slip sealing and eco-friendly materials, ensuring a hygienic and environmentally conscious approach to hand hygiene in household settings. So from now on, no more goopy mess or wrestling with pump bottles. Plus, it's eco-friendly, so double win for your bathroom or kitchen vibe. Next, the NearMoon Shower. The NearMoon Shower Head boasts a sophisticated 15-stage shower filter system designed to effectively eliminate impurities, rust, sediments, and unpleasant odors from the water supply. Its stainless steel construction and scientifically approved filtration materials ensure purification. Invigorate shower experience, aligning with a commitment to providing clean and refreshing bathing sessions within household settings. It's got this epic 15-stage filter that zaps away all the gunk from your water, making your shower feel like a spa retreat. So say goodbye to rusty water and weird odors. This will get your back for a clean, refreshing wash every time you step in. Next, Zardo Towel Warmer. You won't believe the cozy magic this Zardo Towel Warmer pulls off. It's like having a spa at home. Wrap yourself in warmth with towels as snug as freshly baked cookies. This large beauty isn't just for towels, it's a multi-purpose warmth machine, fitting 2 huge bath towels or even your fave blanket. It's a game changer on chilly mornings or when you're craving some post-shower comfort. Crafted for luxury, this freestanding wonder makes every day feel like a spa day, ensuring a snug and warm embrace after every bath or shower. Next, iHave Toothpaste Dispenser. The iHave Toothpaste Dispenser is a game changer for my morning routine. No more fussing over squeezing the toothpaste tube or dealing with messy countertops. This thing is a lifesaver. It's super easy to set up on the wall, and its dual position feature is just genius. A small squeeze for the little ones and a larger one for us adults. It's such a simple yet thoughtful design. Plus, it adds a sleek, modern touch to my bathroom. It's become an essential gadget that's made toothbrushing hassle-free for everyone in the household. Next, WaterSong Bathroom Sink Faucet. It is a gem in my bathroom. Its elegant design and sturdy build instantly caught my eye. But it's not just about looks, this faucet's practicality is top-notch. The 90-degree rotatable handles make adjusting water temperature a breeze, while the 360-degree swivel head ensures every nook of the basin gets a good rinse. The brushed gold coating not only adds a touch of luxury, but also shields it from corrosion and scratches. It's that perfect blend of style and functionality that effortlessly elevates the whole vibe of my bathroom. Next, Miko Electric Spin Scrubber. The Miko Electric Spin Scrubber is an absolute gem in my cleaning arsenal. Its cordless design and lightweight build make tidying up a joy. But what truly steals the show are the 3 different brush heads, each tailored for various cleaning tasks. The 360-degree spinning action effortlessly banishes dirt and grime from bathroom countertops and other surfaces without leaving me exhausted. Even after hours of cleaning, its ergonomically designed handle keeps my wrists and shoulders pain-free. The fact that it's rechargeable is a huge plus, and the built-in battery lasting up to an hour makes my cleaning sessions a breeze. It's the kind of handy helper that brings ease and efficiency to my cleaning routine, making my spaces sparkle with minimal effort. Next, the B.Bird N3 Pro Ear Cleaning Device. The B.Bird N3 Pro Ear Cleaning Device with HD camera is a revolution in personal ear hygiene. Combining cutting-edge robotic arm technology with an HD camera, this gadget offers a comprehensive 360-degree cleaning experience. Its functionality is user-friendly, allowing for complete earwax extraction when the tweezer is open, seamlessly transitioning to a visual ear cleaning rod when closed. The adjustable tweezer sizes cater to individual ear canal needs, ensuring a comfortable and hassle-free cleaning process. With a long-lasting battery capacity of 300 mAh, it's a portable, user-friendly solution for maintaining ear hygiene without the complications of traditional methods. Next, No Dirt Adjustable Bidet. The No Dirt Adjustable Bidet is like a little hero in the bathroom. It's compact, easy to move around, and brings a whole new level of cleanliness to your daily routine. What's awesome is its adjustable spraying capacity. Talk about customizable comfort. Plus, it's a breeze to switch between the standard pressure and high pressure settings with just a click. And that 180-degree adjustable nozzle? Total convenience. So, if you're looking to step up your bathroom game and bid farewell to paper or wipes, this bidet's your go-to for a refreshing and hygienic experience. Next, the mTeeth X5 Electronic Toothbrush. The mTeeth X5 Electronic Toothbrush is a total game-changer for oral care. It's like having a personal dental hygienist right in your hand. The different cleaning modes cater to various dental needs, ensuring a customized and thorough cleaning experience. What's super cool is the built-in 2000 mAh battery, fast charging in just 6 hours and lasting up to 90 days on a single charge. Plus, its sonic vibration quietly and efficiently cleans your teeth while keeping the noise down. With its sleek design and effective cleaning power, this electronic toothbrush is a delightful upgrade to your daily dental routine, leaving your teeth feeling fresh and clean every time.